Hey guys, thanks for watching my Resurgence review by Mike, Barrett, and James Fawcett. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. And before we get started, I want to let you know that this is based on my opinion of actually researching the site and logging into the platform myself. I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you a pre-recorded demo like a lot of other marketers do. In this honest review, I'm going to take you into the dashboard and I'm going to show you how it works. Then I'll be telling you the strategy they're trying to use, the problems I see with it, and maybe some advice on how to do this honestly and ethically. If you guys are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. Hit that like button if this video helps you out, and subscribe to know when the next one comes out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Alright, now, let's see what Resurgence promises us. They're telling us that this is revealed. Secret resurgence method that regenerates their income day after day without fail for 10 years. It's making them $1,000 daily passively, and they're going to show us how we can replicate their success in just 30 minutes. It's the fastest results you've ever seen, and it's a virtually unknown brand new method with full training. So it's a brand new method that they've been using for 10 years. Okay, let's see. Here we logged into the Resurgence dashboard. When you come in, you go straight to the welcome video. That's just them thanking you for using their products and letting you know about some of the upgrades. Next is an overview where they kind of get to the point that they want you to find offers. They're going to set you up a link rotator. You're going to build a funnel, integrate your autoresponder, send some email follow-ups, and how to get traffic. This is a bunch of training modules. In the Finding Top Offers, they do walk you through how to choose products on Warrior Plus. They also give you the option to get guaranteed approval for their products. Sometimes with Warrior Plus, you have to wait for approval. So they're trying to give you a way to get around that here using their products and their friends' products. They also mention ClickBank, which actually has no waiting to get approved for products. And neither does Digistore 24, which is a fairly new option on the market. If you guys are interested in learning more about Digi's 20 Store affiliate marketing for beginners, click the link to the video above. Next, they talk about building a rotator, and you have to grab the rotator software, which is ClickMagick. We take a look at ClickMagick's website. They give us a brief personal message. You can see ClickMagick was founded in 2014, which is 7 years ago. They did tell us on the sales page that they've been doing this for 10 years. And here again, this company hasn't even been in business for 7, so that's just an outright lie. But what ClickMagick does, it is a link rotator. And if you look at their pricing, they do have a 14-day trial, but your starter plan is $37 a month. So in addition to paying for this product, you will now have to pay $37 a month to even use this product to get started on what they want you to do. That is $444 a year that they did not tell you you needed to purchase when you bought this product on the sales page. Next, they go into building a funnel. They do suggest ClickFunnels or Groove Pages. ClickFunnels is paid. Groove Pages is free. Honestly, you need a funnel builder anyway. I am not calling this an extra expense because as a business, that is a cost that you need for affiliate marketing. Next, they walk through the autoresponder and how to connect that. They give you the options for GetResponse and AWeber. Guys, there's no problem with them putting buttons like this in here. We actually have an AWeber link down below in the link description if you guys are interested or need an email autoresponder. That's not the problem. And then they go through your follow-ups, which are your email follow-ups that you're going to set up for when people opt in to your squeeze page. Now, in this training, they do actually give you some really great truth nuggets. One of them is that this is going to take time. What they don't tell you is that it's because it takes time to build a relationship with your customers before they're going to buy from you. It's things like that. They just don't piece together enough for you to understand what they're saying. They just try to gloss over it a little bit. Now, let me see if I can do a better job of explaining to you what this is. So what Resurgence is trying to do is you send out a squeeze page and collect email addresses. Once they put their email address into the squeeze page, you would send them directly to an affiliate offer. Resurgence wants you to have 5 or 6 different affiliate offers, and each person that puts in their email address will be sent to a different offer. So if Adam puts in his email address on the squeeze page, he's taken to offer 1. But if Bob puts in his email address, he's taken to offer 2. If Carl puts in his email address, he's taken to option 3. So each person that signs up for your squeeze page does not get sent the exact same affiliate offer. He also tries to show you how to set up the capture of the email addresses to send follow-up emails with. Now you might be thinking, if everybody gets a different offer, how do I know what emails to follow up with? Well, he actually just tells you to make them very generic and then they'll fit for all. Not to mention they only have you making a squeeze page. I mentioned where they suggest using ClickFunnels. So if we look at an article by ClickFunnels talking about how to create a sales funnel, the sales process unfolds in stages. The sales funnel, warming up cold prospects to the idea of spending their hard-earned cash on your products and priming them for purchases in the future. Unfortunately, in today's climate of low trust and fierce competition, that's no easy task. In fact, if you've ever sold a product or service, you already know how frustrating and painful creating a genuinely valuable offer can be. This is actually one of the reasons that Barrett gives for creating this product, is so that he wouldn't have to keep creating funnels over and over if a product died. The antidote to this pain and the secret to unlocking success lies in creating a sales funnel built around 5 stages. One squeeze page is not 5 stages. The first stage is going to be bait. This is where you provide value. So you actually want a squeeze page that doesn't directly ask for money right away. You want to send them something of value. You want to send them bait. We have several checklists on our website, affiliatemarketinginformant.com, and that's for free. We offer instant access in our links below. We offer all kinds of valuable training and tips so that you guys have information. And hopefully by providing that information, you start to trust us and then you'll buy things we suggest. Another bit of advice that they give us in this training is don't be afraid to just email your list and ask for money. Just email them and ask for money. So that brings us to traffic. If you're offering value or something for free or something to help somebody out, they don't mind giving you their email address. But if you're just going to send them a squeeze page that asks them for their email address and then sends them directly to an affiliate offer, chances are they're not going to buy from you the first time or right away. So where are we going to send this squeeze page to get our maximum benefit of people that already trust us for these affiliate offers? When you go into their traffic module, they offer various places to buy solo ads. So solo ads is their solution. The definition of solo ads are advertisements on other people's email lists in which you're the only thing being advertised in that one specific email. These ads have links to drive traffic to your website or funnel. And Udemy is actually where they suggest going to purchase solo ads, as well as a few other places. So solo ads are actually pretty controversial because they can waste a lot of your money. And in some cases, they are used to just spam people. So when they tell you you need 50 or 60 email swipes to send out to follow this up, and they just need to be generic, they are planning on spamming with this. That's what they're suggesting you do. Luckily, our mentor, Philip Borrowman from Taking Action Online, came up with this solo ad explanation to better explain to people like me who didn't understand. So somebody that sells solo ads gets their traffic at about 25 cents per click. They usually pay for AdWords or any other traffic source. They usually pay about 25 cents for each person that clicks. They get their email and then they send them off to whatever it is that they promoted. That email is then sent into Udemy or a members area where it is sold off for $1 per click. Those emails are sent to a link rotator that sends one click to this bank, another click to this list, another click to this list, another click to this list. And so they go out one at a time to each different person so nobody receives the same email addresses, which is exactly what ClickMagick does with your affiliate offers. Now, once you decide to purchase this 1,000 clicks, and this is you purchasing your 1,000 clicks, you send this link that you made with ClickMagick out to your 1,000 emails that you purchased. And out of that 1,000, you might get a 50% conversion rate, which gives you 500 email leads. And you may or may not make sales on. Some of the problems with solo ads are very low open rates. You don't build a relationship at this point. They're often considered spam because they opted into this guy that sold it to you back here. They didn't opt into you. They don't know who you are. They don't know who you are from anybody else that just landed in their email box. You're going to get fake clicks. And the only person that makes money off of this are the vendors and the resellers like Udemy and the solo ad vendor. So this can be really risky and it can cost a lot of money. But there are some people like Mark Barrett and James Fawcett who find success with it. And I would suggest using this particular strategy of solo ads at your own risk and know that it will cost you money every time you run a solo ad. If you can estimate that cost and budget for it, even better. Next, we go to monitor and scale, which is where he does give you a little bit of advice on how to budget for the solo ads based off of your sales. There is a conclusion where he offers the rest of his upsells and highly suggests them to get you guys going better and faster in this program. Last, we'll look at the pricing for Resurgence. You can see here they have this ridiculously convoluted funnel. We're just going to look at this top row here. Resurgence on the front end is actually $12.95. If you're on the sales page and try to leave, they do offer you a $5 discount, so you can get that if you're interested. Upgrade number 1 is going to be your profit automators at $37. Upgrade 2 is done for you at $197. Upgrade 3 is your Inner Circle Profits Club at $67. Upgrade 4 is $47 for 10 times Profit Box 2.0. Upgrade number 5 is $197 with unlimited traffic. And upgrade number 6 is $67. All total, your price for Resurgence and its upgrades is going to be $624.95. That doesn't count the $444 you're going to need to pay a year for ClickMagick. If we add that in, that's going to bring your total to over $1,000 at $1,068.95 for all of Resurgence and ClickMagick to run it for the first year. Guys, there are better, honest, more ethical ways to make money online. If you want to know what they are, please be sure to check our instant access link in the description below. I can tell you that spamming people is going to increase your bounce back rate, your cancellation rate, and your unopened rate on your emails. Buying solo ads is extremely risky, and they didn't tell us we were going to need to invest all of this extra money with Resurgence on the sales page. Resurgence just isn't going to work like they promise you. I really hope this Resurgence review answered all of your questions. If it helped you out, give it a like, subscribe to see the next video, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching!